Hello students of class 5th. Today we will discuss chapter number 7 fractions, and in this topic we will discuss another concept, and the concept is subtracting unlike fractions. So how to subtract the unlike fraction we will discuss in this video. Change to like fractions and subtract 3 upon 8 from 5 upon 12. Let us take one example to understand this concept. So here you will take LCM of 8 and 12, and LCM will be 12. Now write down the multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Write down the multiples of 12. 12, 24, 36. And 24 is the lowest common multiple here. So LCM of 8 and 12 is equal to 24. Now let us change the given fractions into like fractions with the common denominator 24. So now the fractions are 5 upon 12 minus 3 upon 8. So you have to make 24 in the denominator. Therefore you have to multiply it by 2 in numerator and denominator, minus 3 upon 8. You have to multiply it by 3 in numerator. So after making denominators equal to 24, the fractions become 10 upon 24 minus 9 upon 24. 10 minus 9 upon 24 is equal to 1 upon 24. That will be your answer. So in this question, formula is difference of two fractions. आपको दो fractions का difference बताना है, तो वो difference क्या होगा? Difference of LCM of the denominator divided by denominator multiplied by numerator of fractions divided by LCM of the denominator. So this is the formula that is applicable in the questions of this exercise. So you have to understand this formula and understand the concept also. So now I am taking one more example. Find 4 upon 5 minus 2 upon 3. LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So you have to make 15 in the denominators. So in 4 upon 5, when you multiply it by 3 in both numerator and denominator, you will get 12 upon 15 minus 2 upon 3. You have to multiply it by 5 in both numerator and denominator. You will get 10 upon 15. So 12 upon 15 minus 10 upon 15 is equal to 12 minus 10. This is the difference of the numerator divided by common denominator, which is 15. You will get your answer 2 upon 15. Now example number 2. Find 4 is to 2 upon 18 minus 5 upon 9. So first of all, you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How to convert it into improper fraction? 18 multiplied by 4 plus 2 upon 18. You will get 74 upon 8 minus 5 upon 9. Now let us change the given fractions to the like fractions with common denominator 18. So else you have to make denominator equal to 18. So 74 minus 18, 74 upon 18 minus 5 upon 9. So multiply it by 2 in both numerator and denominator. You will make it as 74 upon 18 minus 10 upon 18. 74 minus 10 upon 18, you will get 64 upon 18. Now 2 in both numerator and denominator, you will get 32/9 एंड 32/9 को जब मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में चेंज करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा 3:5/9. Now next example is 6 minus 5:3/4. 6 minus 4 multiplied by 5 plus 3/4, you will get 23/4. So 6 minus 23/4, let us change given fractions to like fractions with common denominator 4. So the difference is equal to difference of LCM of the denominator divided by denominator multiplied by numerator of fractions divided by LCM of the denominator. You will apply this formula. Now put the values. LCM of the denominator is 4 divided by denominator of the first fraction multiply by numerator of the first fraction minus LCM of the denominator 4 divided by denominator of the second fraction multiplied by numerator of the second fraction. 4 is denominator of the second fraction divided by LCM of the denominator, that is 4. So 24 minus 23/4 is equal to 1/4. Note, remember that LCMD is the LCM of the denominator. ये याद रखना है स्टूडेंट्स आपको कि जो LCMD है वो यहाँ पर क्या है, LCM of the denominator. Now exercise 7F, convert into like fractions and subtract. 3/4 minus 1/2. Let us change the given fractions into like fractions with common denominator 4. 3/4 minus 1/2. In 1/2, when we will multiply it by 2 in both numerator and denominator, we will get 2/4. So 3/4 minus 2/4 is equal to 3 minus 2/4 is equal to 1/4. That will be your answer. Now D part, 3:1/5 minus 1:7/10. 3 multiplied by 5 plus 1/5 minus 10 multiplied by 1 plus 7/10. You will get 16/5 minus 17/10. Now let us change the given fractions into like fractions with the common denominator 10. So in 16/5, when you will multiply it by 2 in both numerator and denominator, you will get 32/10 minus 17/10 is equal to 32 minus 17/10. It becomes 15/10, and now you have to divide it by 5 in both numerator and denominator. You will get 3/2. 3/2 को जब आप मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में बदलेंगे, it becomes 1:1/2. Now second question is subtract. So you have to subtract 21/40 minus 1/10. Let us change the given fractions into like fractions with the common denominator 40. 21/40 minus 1/8. In 1/8, when you will multiply it by 5 in both numerator and denominator, you will get 5/40. So 21/40 minus 5/40. How you will subtract these two like fractions? Let's see. Here students, the difference is equal to LCM of the denominator minus divided by denominator multiplied by numerator of the first fraction. You can write down here 1 because 1 for first fraction minus LCM of the denominator divided by denominator multiplied by numerator. It is of second fraction, so you can write down here in suffix 2 divided by LCM of the denominator. So LCM of the denominator here is 40. So 40 here is the LCM of the denominator divided by denominator of the first fraction, that is 40, multiplied by numerator of the first fraction, that is 21, minus LCM of the denominator, that is divided by denominator of the second fraction, that is 40, multiplied by numerator of the second fraction, that is 5. So 21 minus 5 upon 40 is equal to 16 upon 40, and now you have to divide it by 2 in both numerator and denominator. You will get 8 upon 20. In 8 upon 20, when you will divide both numerator and denominator by 4, you will get your answer 2 upon 5. This is how your question is solved. So please understand the question carefully, understand the formula, how to put the values. Okay. Now third question, C part. 11 upon 18 minus 10 upon 27. 18 के मल्टीपल्स हैं 18, 36, 54. 27 के मल्टीपल्स हैं 27, 54. कॉमन मल्टीपल है 54. तो यहाँ पर लोएस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल क्या है? 18 और 27 में, दैट इज़ 54. सो LCM इज़ 54. You have to make 54 in the denominator. Now let us change the given fractions into like fractions with common denominator 54. 11 upon 18 में जब आप 3 की मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे बोथ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर में, यू विल गेट 33 upon 54 minus 10 upon 27. When you will multiply it by 2 in both numerator and denominator, then it becomes 20 upon 54. So 33 minus 20 upon 54 is equal to 13 upon 54. Okay students, so rest of the question we will discuss in our next video. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.